All right, here we go. If you made it this far, pat yourself on the back. This is the tough part though. And you know, it's not so bad. In the old days, people had to solder wires to all these pins, and that was really tough. So this is a little bit easier. All right, pop the VGA Jack right on there, and make sure that the pins, all these little pins, are aligned in the holes correctly, and they're not bent. And then the little what do you call it? These little clips should clip it into place, so that's nice. All right, so I like to start by doing the lugs first. So let's get those on there. Heat this up, and then flood that with solder. And there we go. That's on there. So that's going to hold it steady for me. And then I'll get this guy. All right, cool. That's no, that wasn't so easy. It's tough doing this and filming at the same time, let me tell you. All right, now we're going to go through and do all the pins. Might be a little easier starting in the middle. So again, 1, 2, add some solder, 1, 2, and it's not so bad. You just have to be neat and on point. Cool, that's the real tough part, and then the outside's a little easier. Cool, there we go, there we go, there we go, cool. And then I'm gonna flip it around the other way, so it's easier to get at. Whoops, from this side. Whoop. And we'll finish it up. But while we're at it, I just want to show you, you know, what could happen. Say you get a bridge in here, like these are all globbed up. I can't even do it there. Like those are all globbed up together. Again, an easy way to clean up a solder bridge is just clean the tip so it's nice and clean. See, there's a little gunk on there. I'm going to clean it a little more. And then just kiss those pins with the soldering iron, and your bridge should come right out. See, there's a little less. I'm going to clean the tip again, and there goes the bridge. If you got a really bad one, you know, there's blobs of solder all over the place. There, like that. You can use some solder wick or a solder sucker. I've been finding in my old age, solder wick is a little bit easier for me to use than a desoldering pump. So the way you use it, the good stuff anyway, you just place the wick over the pins, and then you heat it up with the iron, and the solder flows off onto the wick, and there, it's all cleaned up. There, let me get some more of that. That's off of there, and I'll take this off of here. Just careful, because if you hold it too close, you can burn your hands. All right, and then it's all off. And you might need to go back and clean it up a little bit once that happens. But there you go. Not too bad. And it's all done. Look at that flux mess, though. Yuck.